Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we're addressing a critical transition for non-EU medical device manufacturers selling in Germany. How to change from a distributor who also acts as your EU Authorized Representative to an independent one, often called an EC rep. Many manufacturers initially appoint their German distributor as their EC rep for convenience. However, this can create a significant conflict of interest. A distributor's primary focus is sales, while an EC rep's duty is regulatory compliance. These two objectives can clash, especially in situations involving incident reporting or product recalls. An independent EC rep, on the other hand, is impartial and dedicated solely to ensuring you meet your regulatory obligations under the EU Medical Device Regulation, or MDR, which is Regulation EU 2017/745. The process for making this change is formally outlined in Article 12 of the MDR. It is a structured procedure that requires clear communication and legal agreements. The first step is to review your existing contract with the distributor to understand the termination clauses. You must provide a formal written termination of their mandate as your authorized representative. Simultaneously, you will execute a new written mandate with your chosen independent EC rep. This is where the most crucial document comes into play: a tripartite agreement between you, the manufacturer, the outgoing distributor representative, and the new incoming independent EC rep. This three-way agreement is a requirement and must clearly define the arrangements for the transition. It should specify the exact date the old mandate ends and the new one begins. It must also detail the handover of all necessary documents, including the complete technical documentation, declarations of conformity, certificates, and any correspondence with competent authorities. Furthermore, this agreement must clarify post-market responsibilities. It needs to state which party is responsible for handling vigilance reporting and complaints for devices that were placed on the market before the switch. Typically, the outgoing representative must forward any such communications to the manufacturer or the new EC rep. In Germany, this change must be reflected in the national database, DMIDS, which is managed by the competent authority, the BfArM, until the European database, EUDAMM, is fully mandatory. Your new EC rep will need to be properly registered. One of the most significant practical steps is updating your product materials. The name and address of the new EC rep must appear on all labeling, packaging, and instructions for use. This requires careful management of your inventory and supply chain to ensure all new products entering the market are correctly labeled. You must also inform your notified body of this change. Switching to an independent EC rep provides you with a dedicated compliance partner, protects your intellectual property, and ensures that regulatory decisions are made without commercial influence. If your company needs assistance with navigating the complexities of changing your EU authorized representative, or require support with global market access, Pure Global is here to help. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.